how's everybody doing here today? I'm back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is another impromptu unboxing and first impressions. This time what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Flyco electronic razor and or trimmer. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Alright, just a little bit of something different for y'all. Still in the tech area, but you know, a little bit of a different aspect. We don't really cover too much body products or body maintenance products, but still, good to know. Anyways, jumping into this unboxing and first impressions here, first thing I want to do is talk about the packaging. Now, up front, dead center here, I have to say that this is some really nice packaging. Now, I picked this up via Amazon, and the links will be down below in the video description as always. So it came very quickly, and it came very nicely packaged. And talking about the overall presentation, I have to say I really like this. So up front on the box here, we got some company branding. We do have a model number here, so y'all can see what the particular model of this electronic razor is. And you can see it is the floating revolvable style here. So really good stuff there. Got your standard seals here. And you have the model number again right here. The address of the company right there and their website. And you do have some hardware specs for the razor. So this razor operates at 100 to 240 volts or at 50 to 60 hertz or 0.2 amps. So good stuff there. Walking around the packaging, everything else is clean. Flipping over to the back, you just got some regular information here. So really good packaging here. Very clean, very straightforward. This is the type of packaging that I like to see. Now, cracking the lid here, let's get into everything that's in the box. Alright, so we got a box inside of a box here. So here we have the razor itself. Let's see if we flip it over, make our life easy. Alright. Struggles on deck. Alright, there we go. And here is the standard packaging that the razor comes in. So you can see we do have all of our specifications on the razor here. So it's got a washable body. Alright, so you can just really quickly rinse it off. And it's fully rechargeable. So good stuff there. And you can use it either with your shaving foam, or you can use it to do a dry shave. So that's also nice. Okay. Got some more specifications right here. Feel free to pause and read it for yourself. Okay, we got a 2-year guarantee on there. Really, really nice. Alright. Same thing on this side. Same thing over here again. So let's see. Oh, got some battery specifications right here. Okay. 8 hours to reach a full charge. Alright. 45 minutes to give you enough time for a real quick shave. So really, really nice. Alright, now let's crack this box. And thought I took all the tape and stuff off. I did. Okay, just making sure. Alright, and here we go. What else we got in here? Got our user manual in here. We're gonna go over this in a minute. Nothing else in the box. Throw this off to the side here. And here is the razor. Now, really nice presentation on this. We got 3 boxes. We got a box inside of a box inside of a box. You know how we do. Now, here we go. So here is the razor itself. We're going to come back to that in a second. Then we have our charging cable. So really, really good to see this. So we have a proprietary end here, which I'm sure slots into the razor for charging. And then we have the regular USB tip. So really, really nice. No need to worry about, having a dock or anything like that. And then we have our standard power brick here with some company branding on it. Let's see if we get some charging specifications on here. Yes, we do. On the bottom, we do got a caution, attention thing here. Alright, and then on the bottom here, let me flip this. Alright, we do have our standard specifications right there. Get y'all a close-up of that. Again, everything I already went over on the box, but for those of you guys and gals who like to see that, there it is. Alright? Alright, so nothing else in here. Put this off to the side here. Oh, wait. There is one more thing. Okay, cool. Got your little cleaning brush. Alright, really cool stuff. Now, on the razor that I do have a cleaning brush, and trust me, that little brush, it may look like nothing, but it really does come in handy, okay? Alright, so we're going to put all this off to the side, and let's take a look at the razor itself. Then we're going to check out the user manual, and then we'll wrap this video up. Plastic struggles. Alright, everything is fully protected, it looks like, so this pops off. Okay, that looks really clean. Looks really clean. Alright, just like that. Alright, so first impressions, the handle seems fairly comfortable. Alright. Pop out hinge here. Really good stuff. Alright, power button right here. Alright, and it does have some juice. Okay. Alright, awesome. Charging port right there. So y'all can see when you're ready to charge it up, or if the battery's dead, you just slot this in like so. Now it's slotted, so it can only go in one way. So you slide it in like that. Plug this end into the charging brick or a power bank if you're on the go, and you're good to go. So really good stuff there. Alright, and really nice and long cable, I can already tell. So good stuff. Alright, let's throw this back on, and let's check out the user manual, and then let's get up out of here. So put this off to the side real quick. Get rid of the plastic here. Alright, let's take a look at this user manual. Try to do this quick. So again, this is something I really like that companies do. They make sure that you know all the relevant information right off the top. So if you didn't know what the model number of this razor was, and you were thinking about picking it up, well, now you should know. Okay? So good stuff there. Alright? Really nice user manual, I can already tell. Now I gotta get some close-ups here. So feel free to pause and read for yourself. And it's really important that you read these types of user manuals, especially if this is your first time picking up this style of razor, or maybe you're a younger viewer and it's your first time doing your beard maintenance or anything like that. You definitely want to take your time and read through this so you know exactly what to expect, and you can, manage your expectations accordingly. So really good stuff. Alright, really nice diagrams. Okay. Nice. Okay. All the different things you could trim with it. Alright, charging times. Alright. See, is there any more pages? That's the okay, there's one more page. And here you go. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright. And again, company information on the back. Already showed y'all on the box. There's the website again. Good stuff. Okay. Alright, y'all. Really interested in checking this out. Yeah. So this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Flyco electronic razor, okay, or shaver, whatever you want to call it. Now, it's my first time doing an electronic razor. even though I'm very comfortable with it. Funny story. Now, when I trim up my face, I actually use barber clippers. Okay, I was using traditional razors at one time, and they went bad so fast. And because I have sensitive skin, and for those of you who don't know, one of the reasons why I don't shave too often is because, I'm going to share some personal stuff here, is because I have a condition known as cystic acne. So, although y'all may see in my videos, those may look like regular pimples and whatnot, but it's really bad, especially when they pop and bust. It looks really bad. So, and being as I have very sensitive skin, it's kind of always doing that. So one of the ways that I alleviate that is I just let my beard grow out, and I deal with it. When my beard and mustache get too unruly, then I go in and deal with it. So that's one of the reasons why I don't like traditional razors, because when I'm ready to shave, everything is pretty thick. And traditional razors, they don't really hold up well. Okay? So something like this, or something like some barber clippers, they get the job done nicely. Alright? But with barber clippers, you can't really get it wet. So I really got to be extremely careful when I'm trimming up my face and everything, that the motor on the clippers don't get wet. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, why not? So this should be nice, and I really do like the fact that it can get wet, or I could use it dry. So we're gonna see what it does. That being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Now, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, all the links to where y'all can pick up this product at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel sensor on the S7 Active in 1080p at 30 frames per second. And all of the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video and audio quality down below in the comments. That being said, my full review for this product right here should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. Alright? So y'all be on the lookout for that. I hope everyone has a great day. And has it passed Father's Day already? I don't know. Happy belated Father's Day if it passed Father's Day already. But I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.